Hi guys, I'm going to try to do this on a video. I've never done this before with an art lesson, so let's try this out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a paper weaving. Okay, so we're going to start off with a sheet of paper. Yours is probably not white, it's probably brown. I think we're doing brown first, but it's probably not going to be white. But whatever color I give you, that's what you're going to use. So you're going to get your sheet of paper. I know we usually write our name and teacher's name on it first, but we're not doing that right now. We'll do that in a minute. Well, in a little bit. So after you get your paper, the very first thing that we're going to do is you're going to hold it up so it's tall like this and lay that down in front of you like that. So that's hamburger style. This would be hot dog style. So we're going to put it down in front of us hamburger style. Get this tripod thing right. And then we're going to fold it as perfectly as you can in half. So we're going to line up these edges as best that we can, and then we're going to lay it down and we're going to crease it like this. So it should be pretty near perfect. I know art, I don't like things that are perfect, but this is pretty near perfect, because if it's not lined up right here, then it won't work very well. This project won't. So it should look like this. Okay, so now it's folded in half. And we're going to have the open part at the top up here, and then we're going to have the crease close to us. Okay, so the crease is, the open part is up here, crease is down here. And then we're going to take a ruler. My camera might die. We're going to take a ruler and we're going to line it up with the very top of the page. Just like this, okay? It's lined up with the very top. And hold it down tight with your hand. So I'm going to hold it down with this hand really tight so it doesn't move. This is really important, you guys. And then I'm going to draw a line. So you have this line right here in this little bit of space. That's really important, and it's on the open part. Okay? So now we have this line right here. And then they have the crease down here. Okay? Check and make sure you have that right. Okay? And then we're going to take our ruler and we're going to line it up with the left edge of the paper. And we're going to hold it down. We're going to fold down our ruler. Okay? And then we're going to draw a line starting at the line I just drew and down. See that? So I didn't draw up here. We're not drawing anything up here. And then we're going to take the ruler and line it up next to the line you just drew and draw another line. You have to hold it tight or else your lines won't be straight. See that? See how I stopped right there? Your lines have to be straight as you can get them. And then I take my ruler, I line it up with the line I just drew, draw another line, move it over, line it up with that line, draw another line, take the ruler, line it up with that line, draw another line, line it up with that line, another line, that line, another line, and now I have the last part right here. It might be a little bit wider than the ruler, but don't draw another line because you don't have enough room to make two spaces that are the equal amounts in width. So just leave it. Okay, so it should look like this, you guys. Okay, have that space up there. You shouldn't have a million different lines going up and down. You should just have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Everybody should probably have 7 lines. Okay. After that, you're going to get your scissors. And you're going to fold your paper up, and then you're going to cut right along those lines as almost as perfectly as you can up to this line right here, and you're not going to cut past that. Okay? Do not cut past that line. So you do that with all these lines that you just made. Okay, so we just keep going and cut all those lines up to the first line that you drew. Okay, so now it looks like this. You have all these fringes, but it's held together because we didn't cut that. And then when you open it, then this is going to be our warp. This is going to be the warp for our weaving. Okay, so that's the first part. Oh, another thing. So after we make our warp, right up here, where we drew this line, that's where I want you to write your name. So I'll just write name up there. Don't write the word name, I'm just writing name so you know that's where I want you to put it. Okay, so that's where you put your name and your teacher's name. I'll write teacher's name. Teacher's name. So write your actual teacher's name. Don't write the words teacher's name. Okay? Alright, that's the very first part, you guys. Okay.